If your knees pop, crack and snap anytime you straighten or bend them, then here are 3 exercises that will help you strengthen your knee and this improve your pain. First, we're going to target your TFL. When this muscle is weak, it's going to cause pain on the outside of your knee. Start by lying on your side. Move that top leg slightly in front of your bottom one. Point your toe towards the ground and then lift your heel towards the ceiling. You should feel a sharp, concentrated burn on the TFL. Next, we're connecting the TFL to the knee via the pelvic hitch exercise. Think of this as updating your hip software so they can finally be compatible with your knees, relieving pressure and reducing overall aches and pains. Lastly, for inner knee pain, we're targeting the inner hamstrings and inner thigh muscles. Grab a foam roller and place it between your thighs. Now bridge up while simultaneously squeezing the foam roller. Think of this as a buy one, get one free exercise because you're strengthening both your hamstrings and inner thighs at once.